Hello, let us check with the prerequisites required for the course Microprocessor and Interfacing. It includes number systems like binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system, and their conversions. It also includes Boolean algebra, logic gates, flip-flops, and registers, and also the concepts in combinational and sequential logic. These parts has already been covered in your previous semester in DLEC subject. What do we mean by number system? Number system provide the basis for all operations in information processing system. For example, like we have 26 English letters, 10 decimal digits. In conventional arithmetic, a number system based upon 10 units, that is from 0 to 9, is being used. But when we consider the arithmetic and logic circuits used in computers and digital systems operate with only zeros and ones, because it is very difficult to design circuits that require 10 distinct states. And hence, all the system we see today works on binary digits, that is 0 and 1. The number system with the basic symbols 0 and 1 is called as the binary number system because it uses just two discrete values or the binary digits, which is called as a bit, and that is 0 or 1. A group of bits which is used to represent the discrete elements of information is called as symbol, and the mapping of these symbols to a binary value is known as a binary code. This mapping must be unique. Like, for example, the decimal digits 0 through 9 are represented in a digital system with a code of 4 bits. Thus, a digital system is a system that manipulates discrete elements of information that is represented internally in the binary form. We are very well acquainted with different types of number systems, namely binary number system, decimal number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. When we consider binary number system, it has a radix of 2. That means the base in binary number system is 2 and there are only two digits, 0 and 1. In binary system, each bit position corresponds to a power of 2. In digital system, the binary number system and other number system are closely related to it and are used almost everywhere. So, the digital systems often provide conversion between decimal and binary numbers. The decimal value of a binary number can be formed by multiplying each power of 2 by either 1 or 0 followed by adding the values together. We will see it as an example. Here, to find the decimal equivalent of a binary number 101010, what we do is we multiply each bit by 2 raised to the power of that bit. That means starting from the right hand side, the power of 1 would be 1 into 2 raised to power 5 plus 0 into 2 raised to power 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to power 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 1 plus 0 into 2 raised to power 0, which gives us the value of 42. Similarly, there is an exercise that has been solved for you. You can check with the example and try to find out if you got the correct answer. When we talk about decimal number, the decimal number system uses positional number representation, which means that the value of each digit is determined by its position in a number. And here, the base of this number system is 10 because it includes 10 symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. The numerical value of decimal number is determined by multiplying each digit of the number by the value of the position in which digits appear and then adding the products. Like the number 2734 is interpreted as 2 into 1000 plus 7 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 4. Here 4 is the least significant bit and 2 is the most significant bit. This slide shows the conversion of a decimal number 17 into binary number. How do we do that? When we need to convert a decimal number, we divide it by 2 and write on the right hand side the remainder of the division. And hence, when we divide 17 by 2, we get 1 as remainder. Again, we divide 8 by 2, we get 0. 4 by 2 is 0. 2 by 2 is 0. And the last quotient is 1. So, to write the answer in binary format, we started from the bottom, that is considering 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is the way how we convert a decimal number into a binary number system. There is an exercise to convert certain decimal numbers to binary number and the answers has been written. You can check the method if the answers are correct. In octal number system, the base radix is 8. Thus, it has 8 symbols from 0 to 7. As in the decimal and binary system, the positional value of each digit in a sequence of number is fixed. Each position in an octal number is a power of 8 and each position is 8 times more significant than the previous position. Here, we can see the octal to binary conversion. That is, for a number 235, we need to find the binary equivalent. What we do is, we take individual numbers and try to represent it in a 3-bit format. So, when we represent 2 in binary format, we can write it as 0, 1, 0. When we say about 3, we can write it as 0, 1, 1, and if it is 5, we can write it as 1, 0, 1. And hence, the binary equivalent of 235 will become 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. A similar sort of exercise has been provided along with answers just for practice. Last but the most significant number system as far as microprocessor and interfacing is considered is the hexadecimal number system. It has a base of 16 and there are 16 symbols. The decimal digits 0 to 9 are used as the first 10 digits as in the decimal system, followed by the letters A, B, C, D, E and F, which represents the values 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 respectively. The slide shows an example how to convert a hexadecimal number A5 into binary. What we do here is similar to the octal to binary conversion, where we represent a single digit by 3 bits. Here we will represent a single digit by 4 bit. Like we know the value of A is 10, and when 10 is represented in binary, it would be 1010. And when 5 is represented in binary format with 4 bit, it would be represented as 0101. I hope everyone is acquainted with 8421 format, the way to calculate the binary format of hexadecimal numbers. A similar sort of exercise has been solved for you as a practice. As we have seen different sort of